Alright, so today we're going to be factoring trinomial squares. So this first one is pretty easy, and the coefficient for this one is a 1, which is not shown. What we're going to do is we're going to take the square of the first one, right here, which is x, put that in parentheses, and we want the square of 9, which is 3. And you would multiply this by itself, so we're just going to put squared right there, and that's all you do. And you want to make sure that this 3 right here is half of this 6, which it is. So next, moving on to this one, it's a little bit harder, but it's still doable. So first again, we're going to take the square of this first one, which is 2x. We're going to put this in parentheses. And now we want factors of 9, which add up to be half of 12. So that would obviously be 3 and 2, which equals to 6, which is half of 12. So that's your answer. Okay. Now, moving on to our last problem, which is the hardest. And again, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is take square of this first one, which is 7x. You just get that by squaring the coefficient and the variable. And now most people are wondering, how do you get this negative 140x? Well, it's easy. So we're just going to put this in parentheses, and we're going to take half of 100, or not half, sorry, squared, which is 10. And when you have a negative coefficient up front in the middle, you're going to want to make sure that you keep this sign right here in at least one of your parentheses. So it's going to be the same thing over here, because it's a square, 7x, but it's going to be minus 10. And that's all you do.